Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You should start with the Flipkart app or website and the photo ready. Once done, sign in and grant camera or storage permission so Flipkart can access images. Then tap the small camera icon inside the search bar to launch image search. You'll see options to take a live photo or upload from your gallery. Choose the quickest for your situation. This gets you directly to Flipkart's visual matching engine so you can identify similar items fast. You upload or shoot the image and then crop to focus on the product. This improves match accuracy. Once results appear, you'll get visual matches. Make sure to apply filters like price range, brand, and category to narrow results. You can also switch between all and products views to remove unrelated images. As you scroll, open product cards to compare sizes, colors, seller ratings, and current offers so you know why one result is a better buy than another. You finish by opening the product page, checking price, variance, delivery time, and return policy before adding it to your cart or wish list. Make sure to compare similar listings and seller ratings to get the best deal. If the search didn't find good matches, try troubleshooting. Retake the photo with better lighting, crop tightly around the item, use a plain background or a different angle, and then retry the visual search. That usually fixes recognition issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.